Hi, everyone. My name is Sarah Da Silva. I am currently living in Lansdowne, but I'm from the Philadelphia area, so pretty close to Widener. Um, I currently am the program coordinator for Maternity Care Coalition's Riverside Mommobile program, which is a program that works with mainly pregnant women who are incarcerated in the Philadelphia um, County Women's Jail. We provide different services. We provide case management, prenatal classes, parenting classes, as well as doula services or labor support services for all of the women who deliver while incarcerated. Um, I really enjoy that program. Working with people who are incarcerated is something I'm really passionate about. And I'm excited to further my career when it comes to that. Something to know about me is actually I am planning to deliver my second daughter tomorrow. I'm going in to be induced. So I'm looking forward to that. And I'm really excited for this program. I'm nervous as far as the online portion goes. I've never done an online program before, but I really like the way that Widener has it set up, and I really enjoy watching all these intro videos and getting to know my classmates and professors. Um, and I'm just looking forward to advancing my career in social work and accessing all the support and great resources that Widener has. Nice to meet you all, and I look forward to getting to know you more.